Today, I'll show you how to descale our Jamesblends 𝘸𝘸𝘸𝘀 fully automatic espresso machine properly to keep it clean and in top condition. First, prepare your descaling solution. Put 1 full cup of descaling powder into a container and dissolve it in hot water. Make sure it is fully dissolved. Once ready, pour the solution into the water tank. You should also add water into the milk dispenser. Next, set it to deep cleaning mode, then press OK to start the process. I highly suggest placing a cup under the coffee spout and milk spout while the machine is doing the deep cleaning. This helps prevent the drip tray or water tank from filling up too quickly. Once the cup is full, you can simply discard the water and place it back again. Make sure to refill the water tank and milk dispenser as needed until the deep cleaning process is fully completed. Purpose of descaling an automatic espresso machine. Descaling is the process of removing mineral buildup inside your machine. Over time, minerals from water, especially hard water, accumulate in the internal components. Here's why descaling is very important, especially for machines like the Jamesblends 𝘸𝘸𝘸𝘸𝘀 fully automatic espresso machine. Maintains machine performance. Limescale can clog internal pipes, heating elements, and valves. Descaling keeps water flowing properly and ensures consistent pressure and temperature. Preserves coffee taste. Mineral buildup can affect water quality, which directly impacts the flavor of your espresso. Regular descaling keeps your coffee tasting fresh and balanced. Prevents damage. If scale builds up too much, it can cause overheating, weak extraction, or even internal damage. Descaling helps prevent costly repairs. After the deep cleaning process, make sure to refill the water tank and the milk dispenser again. Press the water button and press and hold the milk button. This will help flush out any remaining water and small traces of descaling powder from the tiny internal hose. The solution is not poisonous, but doing these steps helps prevent any unwanted taste. After that, we can now enjoy our machine and start making drinks for all coffee lovers.